Hello, good afternoon once again. I'm back, Floorboard Kitchen. I hope by the grace of God everyone is doing well and everyone is at home being safe. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my other videos. Today I'm going to show you how to do a homemade tortilla with the fried chicken, and these are my ingredients. And as I always say, that the barbecue the Texas barbecue seasoning, I really like it a lot. And today I have sweet vegetable bouillon. Yeah, you can have a no bouillon as well. They have a no bouillon, and that's my baking powder, my salt, and this is the all-purpose flour, or you can use plain flour, or you can use PVT molia. This one also is as plain flour or all-purpose flour. These are the filling that I'm going to put in the tortilla. I have my peppers, my onions, I have my crispy salad, my carrots, and this is my mayonnaise, and I have garlic as well. I'm going to show you how I do my mayo to put in the tortillas. These are the flour that I'm using. I always use, either you use the cup, and the cup you can see that is 250 mils, or you can put it in ounces. If you want the pounds, it will be 250 as well for the 2 cups. So this is how I measure. When you are measuring it, you always have to measure it very level. Put it in level, very level, right? So that is 2. I've already measured it. And also this is my baking powder, and that is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1/4 of salt. After you put that in, then you mix all of them together. I like using my hands sometimes, because hand, you feel it and you mix everything together. You can use a wooden spoon, or you can use a beater. Then this is my, you can use a ladder, or you can use butter, and mix all of them together. As a cook, always your hands mix everything together. Then you add 1 teaspoon of milk inside the 1/4 pint. 1/4 pint of warm water. You're just doing it slowly. It needs to be very like that. Sometimes if it's a little bit soft, you always have to have about 1/4 of the plain flour aside. Yeah, because you have to make a dough. Alright, so put a little bit. A little bit of the flour, you have to roll it until because you need it to be very soft. So you still have to press it a lot bit hard because you need that dough. So after you roll it and all of them is firm, nice, firm and neat. You can see that it's very neat. What you do is that pinch it, you can see that it's bubbly. So you put it back in the pan, nice, and then you cover it for 15 to 20 minutes, at least. By 25 minutes, then it will come up, it will double. Then now you can roll it to make the tortilla. See, in 5 minutes, I told you earlier that you have to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. After 5 minutes, you take them and you take it. You can see how it's getting firm now, so very firm. Then you cut it. It depends. You can cut it into 4 or you can cut it into 6. Then you roll them. You roll them, all of them, like that, like in the balls. You put them. You roll another one. And you roll another one. You cover it with the for 15 minutes. But I have one that I've made it already, so I'm going to show you because I don't want to waste too much time. It's come out now. So you take that, then you put a little bit of the all-purpose flour or the plain flour, and you make the tortilla. Put it on like that. Then you start rolling it. Rolling it very nice. You have to make it round. See. So you wait until the pan is a little bit hot, because if it's not hot, you won't see the bubbles on top of the tortilla. Anytime you're doing the tortilla, you have to make it like that. See? So it's very nice. And so I'm waiting for because I don't have a flat big burner, so I'm using a frying pan. Okay. Okay, so you can see that the pan is very hot, so you just put the tortilla in there. Okay. Finally, you're supposed to have the big. So you see that before you know that the tortilla is very nice and good, you can see that the bubbles are coming on the top. You see, if the bubbles are coming on the top, then it means you are doing a very nice tortilla. Not too high. You can see that's the tortilla. It's done so nice. Always you have to put the tortilla. I've done some here already because you know I have a big family, so you always put it in the cloth so that it will not get dry. You'll have it very moist. So I've done some already, and I'm putting this on. You can see now you have to cover it with either cling film. I like putting it on the cloth, damp cloth, so that it will not get dry. This is my chicken. I've done some already, but I just want to show you how I like my chicken. I've turned the fryer on to 180 degrees. So I mix it with the seasoning whether chicken season, any season you want. I don't like chicken breast because chicken breast make it so hard. So I always want to use the chicken thighs. This is I have my own mix that I will use it for the chicken. I'm going to use it to coat the chicken. So you can see, put it here, put all of them there, then I'll shake it. I'll shake it in there so that it will go everywhere. Then I'll fry it. I can use olive oil, but I don't have olive oil, so I'm using sunflower. A little bit, not much. Okay, I have my red onions, white onions, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, all of them together. And fry them. I put a little bit of garlic. Put a little bit of garlic inside. Then I add my carrots. See. Smells so nice. With the garlic and everything inside. And I'm doing the vegetables, so I like to have a little bit of the vegetable bouillon to spicing it. It's about half a teaspoon. Then a tiny bit of, just a pinch of. So you put the chicken inside. Put the chicken inside, and it will come out very crispy and nice. Oh, I love that. Now, check it, you can see that it's perfectly done. A little bit of white pepper. And I stir them. So now you can taste it. So nice, so beautiful. You will put your lettuce, crispy lettuce. I have to put lettuce over there. Then you add your peppers. Your carrots. Yellow peppers as well. Oh, this is so yummy. So after you do that, then you put your mayo in the middle. This is my chips. That goes with it. You have the chips. I always have to come with the chips. Yes. Put a little bit of mayo here. Then you had your ketchup. So this is my southern fried chicken with tortilla and chips. This is a nice dish. Beloved, you will love it. This is for both kitchen and believe you me, you will love. Everything is homemade. None of them that is you have to go and buy it outside. It's already made. Everything is homemade and you will love it. Family and friends, enjoy it and stay home. Thank you all. I love you all. Bye.